Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to review the brand new Huawei Band 7 smartwatch. We will be seeing what we have in the box, the design, what materials it is made of, and what options we have in the software. We will run some tests and try some of the measurements and see if this watch is worth buying. In the next video, we'll see how to connect with Android and iOS, which app it uses, and what options we have in these apps. Before we start, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So, let's begin here immediately with the new Huawei Band 7. Here we have the box, so let's unwrap it and have a look at what's inside. On the box, we can see some of the specifications and features that the watch has. As you can see in the box, we have the watch, and you can see it's a really beautiful compact watch and light and easy to use. Underneath we have the manual that shows us how to use it, so if you want you can give it a read before you try it. Also, we have the charging cable which we use to charge our watch, which uses magnetic charging. The Huawei Band 7 features a 1.47-inch AMOLED display and weighs in at just under 16 g. The overall package is quite compact, measuring 44.35 mm x 26 mm, and being only 9.9 mm thick. This is 1 mm thinner than the previous model. When it comes to aesthetics, there are 4 different colors and over 8,000 watch faces to choose from. As far as battery life goes, you're looking at about 2 weeks or around 10 days under heavy use. Luckily, if you ever find yourself running out of battery, a quick 5-minute charge will yield you 2 days of battery life. The Band 7 will offer an impressive 96 different sports it can track, making use of the device's accelerometer and gyroscope sensor. As for heart rate monitoring, Huawei's own TrueScene 4.0 technology will take the reins, delivering accurate data in real time. In addition to the features mentioned above, this Huawei Band 7 can track several sports activities including indoor running, cycling, rowing, gymnastics, sport walking, spinning bike, sit-ups, rugby, hockey, volleyball, tennis, baseball, cricket, football, basketball, mountaineering, badminton, table tennis, skipping, swimming, outdoor running and more. Additional features are an SpO2 blood oxygen monitor, sedentary reminders, stopwatch, breathing training, notification reminder, and many more. The wearable has a heart rate sensor, which collects data on our heart rate over 24 hours. This smart band also helps you to control your sleep, thanks to its complete sleep monitor. It also has a pedometer and allows us to control and estimate the calories burned throughout the day. Huawei Band 7 is a 5 ATM waterproof smartwatch that offers protection up to a depth of 50 meters. It can be worn worry-free for daily use or when swimming. So, let's go inside and see what options and apps we have on Huawei Band 7. If you swipe down, you have options like the Do Not Disturb, Always On, Find My Phone alarm. You can add an alarm, and settings. If you swipe up, you have the notifications which you receive on your phone, also you can open and read those. If you swipe right, you can see some of the widgets we have set up, like heart rate, where you can monitor and see your statistics on your heart rate and also measure it if you want, SpO2 monitoring to measure the oxygen in our blood and our previous and average records. Then we have weather, where you can program your city with GPS, music player, status. You can see all your activity steps, calories burnt and distance traveled, etc. When you press the button, it will show you the home screen with all the apps inside, which right now are on a list view, like workout supports more than 90 fitness modes to help you keep a track of the burned calories, heart rate changes, and workout durations. Huawei Band 7 can automatically detect 4 fitness modes: walking, running, elliptical and rower. Just start your workout, and the Band Pro has got you covered. Find more comprehensive metrics tracking with 15 professional modes like outdoor running, indoor run, outdoor walking, indoor cycling, pool swim, jump rope, elliptical rower, etc. Next, we have workout record and workout status, which records tracks all your workout done. We don't have any records. Next up, we've got heart rate monitoring to measure our heart rating and our recorded measurements. SpO2 monitoring to measure the oxygen in our blood and our previous and average records. Next, we have activity records, which records track all your activity steps, calories burned and distance traveled, etc. Sleep monitoring helps you establish a regular bedtime routine and keeps track of your sleep trends night after night. It also has apps like Stress to test your blood pressure and stress levels. Next, we have the breathing app. Next, have music to you can remotely your player on the phone when we're connected, also in camera you can remotely. Then we've got notifications to see our recent notifications from our phones like Facebook, WhatsApp, Snapchat, TikTok, etc. Next, we have weather to see our current and upcoming weather and any information you want about the weather conditions. Band 7 have an Alipay you can connect and pay with it. Next, we have a stopwatch and timer alarms to add or remove any alarm to set up any time you want. Also, we have apps like Light and Find My Phone which help you look for your phone. Then on the bottom, we've got settings where we have options like band display. We have some of the faces we can choose from to change it, and you can change it in an instant by choosing it. As you can see, we can change the face, and if we press on the watch face and hold on to it for 5 seconds. To always on you can choose one from 4 themes. On favorites you can choose 5 widgets that you want. Next, we have the brightness settings to leave whatever brightness we see fit, from 1 to 5, or auto adjust. Also, we can activate the tap to wake screen option, and in the end, we have advanced. Here we can set auto lock time, the screen timeout option from 5 to 20 seconds, and always on. Next, we have vibration setting, choose the level of the vibration as we please. And the do not disturb option to turn it on or off, to schedule it, or to put it on smart mode where it will begin when you go to sleep. Next, we have pin. We can set the pin code here. Next up we've workout, and we can activate the auto detect option for running and walking. In the system option, we have the update, restart, power off, disconnect, and reset if we want to get back to default or we want to connect with another phone. To help us have a QR code, we can scan the code to download the app on our phone. And we about where it shows the info about our watch. Now we're going to put on the watch and test some of the measurement options for ourselves. First up, let's go to the heart rate monitor, which constantly will measure your heart rate and can show you your previous and average heart rate. Band 7 tracks your real-time heart rate 24 hours a day and delivers precise reviews and easy-to-read graphs. The band will vibrate to alert when your heart rates fall out of the safe zone. Next, let's try the SpO2 measurement and measure our O2 levels. This takes some time and it shows your current state of O2 levels and also shows your previous and average O2 levels. Blood oxygen saturation, SpO2, is a key indicator of a person's overall health, reflecting the oxygen levels in the blood. The band grants your peace of mind by testing the blood oxygen level automatically during sleep and manually whenever you need star. So, this is pretty much it for the watch. I really enjoyed reviewing this model, and it's a really great watch, so I really liked it. It's really easy to use, pretty fast, and has everything you would want in a watch. In the next video, we will see how to connect it with Android and iOS, which apps it uses, and what options we have in these apps, so stay tuned for that. So, guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video with another smart device.